Daybreak. The sun is on its way to banish the dark night. The first rays of sunlight eagerly wake up countless colors in a summer country garden, making all the flowers vibrate with their brilliant hues and tones. Back in 1665, Sir Isaac Newton, in his famous prism experiment, let the beam of white light go through a prism. The result was a jaw-dropping multicolored band of light, just like a rainbow, now scientifically labeled as a color spectrum. White light is actually composed of 7 different colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. In natural conditions, sunlight goes through the droplets of water still hanging in the air after a storm, and undergoes 2 complicated optical processes called refraction and reflection. The result is a spectacular rainbow. In other words, the 7 main colors Mr. Newton saw in his laboratory ages ago. Is there a relationship between the light and the rainbow, and the visible colors of all objects around us? If yes, what does it look like? Yes, there is a relation, and it looks quite simple. The rule goes like this: objects have the color of the light leaving their surface. An example might help here. A beam of sunlight consisting of 7 main colors touches a flower which produces, say, a red pigment in its petals. But how do we know the petals are red? Because only the red color of the spectrum leaves the petals, the other colors get absorbed by the pigment. We might say they get devoured. And that red light reflected by the petals can be seen by our eyes. Therefore, the flower is red for us. The same happens with green leaves, which reflect green color light. Yellow pansy reflects yellow color light. Pink poppy sends back pink color light, while red poppy prefers to cast back red color light. Orange begonia reflects orange light. Deep violet morning glory catches all colors of the beam but the deep violet light. Just like blue larkspur, which directs the blue light directly into our eyes. The most generous of all is white rose, which gives back all the light it gets. Apart from more or less pure colors, we can see all other possible and impossible mixtures of colors Mother Nature paints with her flamboyant imagination. But we are well prepared for that combinations, as human eye can distinguish about 10 million different colors. We all depend on the sun. Without sunlight, life on our planet would not exist. Light means life, but it also means colorful life. If you want to admire a rainbow, not only in the sky, but right here, on the ground, you don't need to wait for a summer storm. All you have to do is sow some seeds of colorful flowers in the spring and wait until the sunlight does its job. A dazzling rainbow of flowers in the garden.